Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has hinted that by the next year, these robots would be usefully employed in manufacturing. Although he was cautious in his earnings call predictions, there is a good chance that these robots will be in use by the middle of next year. Tesla's humanoid robot appears to be able to overcome the difficulty of going from prototype to mass production, which is frequently an arduous task in robotics. The robot's design stands out for its emphasis on compliance and safety, especially in a manufacturing environment. For example, previous worries about the risks of pinching and poking have been resolved. Elbow guards and possible fabric coverings for more sensitive areas are examples of modifications that Tesla has made, which demonstrate their dedication to building a robot that can safely work alongside humans. We have noticed notable improvements in terms of design refinements. The robot's dexterity and capacity to maneuver in confined spaces have been improved by the actuator's new location, which permits a more compact wrist design. The hands have been totally remodeled and equipped with new sensors for increased operation. Even the pelvis has a new design that helps create a more efficient and compact form, even though its kinematics remain the same. These developments are not merely attractive, but utilitarian. The robot now exhibits a more realistic walking gait thanks to advances in foot and hip mechanics. This heel-to-toe movement has resulted in a 30% improvement in the robot's walking pace, a tribute to Tesla's commitment to constant improvement. One significant alteration in the second-gen bot is the shoulders design. The initial servo axis for the shoulders was horizontal, but now there's a modest 8 degrees tilt, enhancing the robot's range of motion and eliminating concerns like the polar singularity. This adjustment, although seemingly minor, significantly enhances the robot's functionality. The elbow mechanism has also undergone intriguing changes. The presence of black fabric in the interior part of the elbow in the new model raises questions about what it conceals. It seems that the elbow mechanism remains the same, but its packaging has been altered for practical reasons, possibly to accommodate cabling or cooling needs. In our detailed analysis, it's clear that these design tweaks are more than cosmetic. They enhance the robot's operational efficiency and safety. The elbow, once a potential hazard with protrusions, is now neatly covered with hard plastic and fabric, making it safer and more streamlined. When it comes to power sources, the robot's design may have been altered to accommodate a different battery arrangement. The speculation is whether Tesla has switched from using 2170 cells to the larger 4680 cells. However, considering the current supply and energy density factors, it's more likely that the robot still utilizes the 2170 cells, perhaps reorganized for better efficiency. Cooling mechanisms have also been a topic of discussion. While fans are a known component, there's speculation about the use of liquid cooling systems to maintain optimal temperatures for the robot's internal electronics. Another interesting observation is the change in the robot's tethering system. The attachment points have moved from the head to the shoulder area, distributing the weight more evenly and avoiding stress on the neck actuators. This change reflects thoughtful engineering to ensure the robot's durability and functionality. A recent clip reveals 3 Optimus models in various stages of assembly, a discovery initially pointed out by Claudia Moe from John's channel. This surprising revelation indicates the rapid progression in Tesla's robot development. A focal point of curiosity has been the emergency off button, traditionally located behind the robot's neck. However, recent footage shows no visible EOP button, leading to speculation about its new location. Upon closer examination, what appears to be a red button is noticed at the lower back of the robot, an unusual placement for such a crucial feature. Moving on, we delve into the robot's energy efficiency and longevity. There's been skepticism about whether the bots could operate for a full 8-hour shift on a single charge. Pushing back against this doubt, it's essential to remember that Tesla's 2170 batteries, commonly found in laptops, are incredibly efficient. A laptop can run for hours on a single battery, despite managing numerous processes and displaying visuals. Tesla's full self-driving system is even more optimized, suggesting that the Optimus bot could potentially operate efficiently for extended periods. The Optimus battery pack is estimated to be 1/30th the size of a Model Louise, yet it packs enough power to propel a Model Y for 10 miles at highway speeds, further demonstrating the bot's power efficiency. Consider the actuator that lifted a half-ton grand piano in a demonstration. Lifting such a heavy object requires surprisingly less power than one might assume, indicating that the robot's battery could sustain such activities for an extended duration. Additionally, the possibility of continuous charging while working opens up new avenues for the robot's operational efficiency. Innovations like wireless induction charging, as hinted at by Tesla's chief designer in an interview with Jay Leno, could allow the bot to recharge without physically plugging in. This technology, coupled with advancements in inductive and capacitive charging from companies in Quebec, suggests that Optimus could potentially operate around the clock without manual intervention. While other humanoid robot companies target operational times ranging from 1.5 to 5 hours, Tesla seems to be aiming for a remarkable 8-hour endurance. This is attributed to Optimus's larger battery pack, highly efficient actuators, and battery management system. In contrast, many other robots have smaller battery capacities, typically less than a kilowatt hour, which limits their operating time. In terms of design, Tesla's Optimus has undergone significant improvements. The robot now features a more flexible toe box and improved sensors in the foot, enhancing its balance and mobility. Another noteworthy development is the inclusion of sensors in the robot's fingertips. Originally, it was uncertain whether these would be necessary, but Tesla has decided to incorporate them, suggesting a high level of tactile sensitivity, possibly enough to read Braille. The advancements extend to the robot's overall speed and responsiveness, particularly in the hands. Previously slower in movement, the latest iteration of Optimus exhibits much quicker hand movements, crucial for operational efficiency in a factory setting. This increase in speed could be due to both mechanical improvements and faster AI decision-making processes. As for production scalability, there's an air of anticipation around Tesla's ability to mass-produce these robots. With the actuators now seemingly finalized, Tesla is poised to scale up production significantly. This progress marks a departure from the initial small-scale production, underscoring Tesla's commitment to advancing its robotics technology. The excitement in the robotics community is palpable, especially with the recent demonstration of the sleeker, more refined version of Optimus. This robot not only showcases Tesla's innovative approach to design and functionality, but also sets a new standard for what humanoid robots can achieve. As anticipation builds for AI Day 3 expected in the first quarter of 2024, the robotics community eagerly awaits new demonstrations, with the next one likely to showcase the bot's practical application in a factory setting. This upcoming demo is anticipated to go beyond the impressive capabilities already showcased, such as speed and dexterity, to demonstrate real-world utility. Tesla's Optimus bot, having undergone remarkable improvements, now boasts enhanced walking capabilities and sophisticated fingertip sensors. These features point towards an increased focus on practical application, particularly in industrial settings. The next demonstration is expected to solidify the bot's place in operational environments, moving beyond basic tasks to more complex real-world applications. Looking ahead, there's speculation about the bot's production scale. While many are cautiously optimistic, the rapid progression of Tesla's technology suggests a more aggressive production approach might be underway. The possibility of Tesla scaling up production to meet operational demands in its factories is a topic of much discussion. There's a consensus that Tesla is likely to focus initially on integrating the bot into lower volume production lines, like the SNX lines, to minimize disruption and maximize learning opportunities. The potential limiting factors in the bot's deployment are being closely examined. While the hardware seems to be advancing well, questions about the AI's readiness and the bot's overall reliability, particularly in sustained operations, are being raised. The focus now seems to be on refining the AI and ensuring the bot's reliability in prolonged tasks without frequent mishaps.